to my channel. Today we're talking the 10 things you need to know before you enter a beauty pageant. In fact, before you enter the beauty pageant industry. Please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up at the end of this video and comment if you have anything that you want me to talk more about, if there's any clarification you need, and most importantly, if you have learned something from this video. Also, please hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification because you don't want to miss out on anything that I post on this magnificent channel. You are going to need money. I know that when we enter beauty pageants, people usually tell us that, oh, you don't need that much money. A lot of things are sponsored. Well, here's the reality. Most things are not sponsored and you're going to need that cash. You're going to need that ka-ching. You need money for comfortable transportation from your home to rehearsal. You need money for food in between rehearsals. You need money for a makeup artist. You need money to learn a lot of things, like how to style your hair if there's no stylist, how to do your makeup if there's no makeup artist at the pageant. You need money for putting your talent together, putting your outfits together, putting your whole look together. But basically, you need a lot of money. Beauty pageants are like a sport. My advice is always to enter the small pageants and win them, of course, before you go for the big pageants, for the national, the international pageant. Go win the high school pageant, the community pageant, the university pageant, the national pageant, and the international pageants. Don't limit yourself because beauty pageants are like sports. You want to embrace the time that you spend on stage. You want to be on stage longer than what one pageant would award you. Not everyone is gonna like you. That is the sad truth. Not everybody is gonna support your journey. It can be at home, it can be in your community where you're from, it can be in your circle of friends, it can be the audience at the pageant, and even when you have won the pageant, it can really just be the whole country or even the community itself that you're representing. So when you get into this industry, have that at the back of your mind so that everything that you do is more about making yourself proud and the people that genuinely support you, which I would believe is your family or your closest friends. You might not win. Sad, right? But you might not win. As good as you are, as pretty as you are, as ready as you are, you may not win. That's the sad truth. It may not be your time. See, the thing with pageants is you can be as prepared as you can ever be, but if it is not your turn, it's not. Then just maybe somebody that is way better than you at every aspect that the judges are looking at. Consistency has to be your best friend in this industry. If you say that you entered because you want to bring change in a certain community, then that's what you do your entire career. If you say that you want to be a voice for the voiceless, then amplify voices of societies that are not heard your entire career. If you say that you are in this space because you want the platform to help you grow a certain cause, then that's what you do your entire career. Be headstrong in your values, your decisions, and set boundaries for yourself right at the beginning because there will be distractions. There will be people who are coming for you just to take what you have, just to destroy what you have built, just to destroy you as a human being. So at that time, that's when you need to remember why you came into this industry, what you want to get out of it, and who you are. There will be bombshells aiming at breaking you. There will be people aiming at breaking you. There will be people aiming at being who you are, wanting to take away everything that you have and everything that you have built. So at that time, that's when you need to remember your values. That's when you need to remember what made you you and what makes you different, what makes you the headstrong, beautiful, powerful woman that you are. Another sad truth. Beauty pageants may not be your niche. They just might not be for you. Doesn't matter how good you think you are at them, how beautiful you think you are, how great you think you are, and how much you fit in. It doesn't matter. As long as it's not your thing, then it's just not. You may feel like, gosh, this is what I was meant to be. This is what I was meant to do. This is my thing. I was meant for this. But if it's not your thing, it's just not made for you. You just have to find it in you to accept that it's not my thing. I have to dust myself off and just move on. Your name will only live as far as you take it. The pageant will provide platforms for you. It will give you opportunities. It will insert you in spaces that you didn't know existed. But it is how you use those opportunities that will print out your name in places that didn't know of your existence. It is the light that you leave amongst people that will leave them remembering you. It is the spirit that you carry and the love that you share with people and the energy that you leave people with. It is your hard work. It is the causes that you made a change in. It is the people's lives that you touched that will leave your name living. So if you expect spoon feeding the whole time, then I'm sorry to tell you that you won't make it. We'll only know you as far as your reign. The crown, the title, they shouldn't turn you into a bitch, because that's then who you are. You just needed to feel important for you to show us who you really are. Are you a person who looks down on people? Are you a person that thinks that their lives are more important than other people's lives? Do you think that you deserve that glass of water and she doesn't? Please, no. You are just a human being. The crown and the title should inspire you to want to make other women feel like the queens that they are. They should actually make you sweeter than you actually were. They should make you nicer than you actually were. They should make you more centered and more of a human being than you have ever been in your entire life. And lastly, you are going to come out stronger than you were when you went in. The challenges, the people that you meet, the empathizing, the people you fight for, the causes you work on, enduring negativity and positivity from different people of different corners of the world, that will build you into the strongest person you have ever imagined. And those are the 10 things that you need to know before you enter this industry, before you enter a beauty pageant. Thank you so much for watching. Do connect with me on Instagram. I love hearing from you. Leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell because I don't want you to miss out on anything.